Welcome to Cooking with Chanelle. I'm Chanelle. Let's get cooking. Today I'm preparing tropical chicken kebabs, one of our simple Xyngular recipes designed to help you continue after your 8-day jumpstart. Instead of doing a step-by-step, we're going to actually cover the health benefits you get from this meal. For those step-by-step instructions, make sure to head over to Xyngular's blog. We're going to go ahead and make tropical chicken kebabs with coconut cauliflower rice, a delicious grain-free and low-carb meal. Cauliflower just looks like a big bland vegetable, but don't be fooled. It can make itself be anything it wants to be. It is so versatile. Today, it's grain-free substitute to rice. Tomorrow, it's a gluten-free substitute pizza crust. Maybe the next day, it's going to be traditional mashed potatoes. It's a cruciferous veggie rich in fiber and vitamin K. Vitamin K is also found in our osteo. It is an important fat-soluble vitamin that helps create proteins that are important for blood clotting and building strong bones. Fruit has gotten a bad rap lately, but it is so incredibly important. Do not be afraid of fruit. For instance, pineapple provides a fabulous amount of manganese, a naturally occurring mineral that maintains a healthy metabolism. Pineapple also comes in at a whopping 131% of your daily recommended amount of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin for collagen production. Pineapple also conveniently includes the digestive enzyme bromelain. This is a great pairing with the protein in chicken since bromelain helps break down protein molecules. Coconuts contain polyphenol antioxidants that protect cells from damage, which may reduce your risk for disease. Visit the blog for the recipe, make it yourself, and don't forget to tag us. Until next time, stay delicious.